Hi guys, this is Liz. Welcome back to the channel. Today I decided to come outside and enjoy the nice breeze. It's nice and breezy out here, but it's a nice sunny day. But anyway, today I am participating in a challenge, and it's called What's in Your Cleaning Caddy Challenge Spring 2018. And this is hosted by the lovely Kimberly Davis over at Diva Designing on a Dime. And this is an open invitation to anyone, so you're welcome to participate if you want to. But I'm going to show you guys what's in my caddy. Would you like to see what's in my caddy? I bet you would. Alright, well, if you want to stick around and see the things that I have in my caddy and what I use to clean my house, just stick around. Okay, you guys, I just wanted to show you what my caddy looks like before I start sharing all of the things that I have in it. Look at this nice big old tub. This is what I'm using as a caddy because I have too many cleaning products to actually put in one of those handheld little containers for a caddy. So this is my caddy, and I love the bright colors. Perfect for spring. So I'm going to show you guys in just a second what I've got all in here. Okay, the first thing in my caddy that I'm going to show you guys is this bag that says cleaning tools on it, and I just keep my sponges, my scrubs in here. I've got, let me just take it out and let you see everything. I've got a pack of heavy duty scrub sponges, because you know we gotta have lots of those for all that heavy duty scrubbing we have to do. And then I got one here that's pretty much on the brink. It needs to go to the trash, but I still use it. And then gotta have some gloves, ladies. Here is a pack of Arm & Hammer vinyl gloves in the color pink. Really cute. I gotta wear gloves when I clean. You know, there's some people who don't wear gloves when they clean. They just go right at it, but nah, not me. I have got to have gloves. And then an old toothbrush, you know, to get into that grout and grind and all the heavy duty areas. So I just put it in this little baggie and store it right there. And everything is placed in here. So that's what I use for that. And next, we'll start with some Clorox disinfecting wipes. You know, we must have wipes to disinfect everything. And this is, what flavor is this? Fragrance. This is citrus blend, and I like it because it smells like lemon. It smells really good. This is my favorite scent, as well as the lavender. I like the lavender that they have too. Then, and I'm not going in any particular order. The next thing I have is some Powerhouse furniture polish, and this is in the orange, and this works real well. I like how it polishes your furniture, and it's real nice. Cleans, restores, and conditions wood. And my all-time favorite cleaning product, my #1 favorite, would be Pine Sol. Yes, Pine Sol. And I love this in the lavender because it smells really nice. It doesn't really smell too strong. You know, there's some, they have another type of Pine Sol. I think it's like in a golden color, kind of yellowish. I don't really like the smell of that too much. And it's not the lemon, it's another kind. But this is Pine Sol, and I use this pretty much on everything. Sometimes I use it in the bathroom, I'm cleaning the bathrooms, the vinyl tops, sink, you name it. Sometimes I will add a little bit of this with a little bit of bleach, and you know, it kind of helps to clean better, you know, when you do that. Next, another favorite of mine is this Lysol all-purpose cleaner. I love this because this smells like lemon, and it smells good, and it cleans really well too. I don't know, some of you may have this in your caddy, but I have it in mine, and It's just a quick little spray and there you go. Scrub, scrub, scrub. So I love that. And I went to the store today actually to buy another one because this one's kind of low. Then the next thing I have is some stainless steel wipes for my refrigerator. This is for, it removes the streak, is streak free, and it's for those stainless steel refrigerators that you have. So I got that, and I also use it to clean my microwave as well. I've got some great value Amona cleaner, glass cleaner. Yes indeed, gotta spray on your mirrors and get those mirrors nice and streak free shine. Next thing I have is some totally awesome carpet spot and stain remover detachant, and this works really well. You just spray a little bit on your carpet and you wait like 15 minutes, and then you go ahead and take your scrubber and you just go ahead and scrub, and it works pretty good. I like it. Then this is a must. Gotta have some disinfectant spray, ladies. There you go. And this is by Great Value. So gotta spray, you know, when the cold season is here, which it is, flu season, just, you know, spray and kill all those bacteria germs. I also have some Orange Glow. This is a wood furniture cleaner, and it's 2-in-1. It cleans and polishes, so it will clean your wood, and yeah, wood. It's for the wood only, and it has a nice smell. It has an orange scent to it, and I love this. It smells so good. I mean, if you want your wood to smell really good, get this, ladies. This is really good. I've got some more Mop and Glow. This is for your tile, your vinyl, and your wood. Mop and Glow, multi-surface floor cleaner. And be careful with putting a little bit of this on your floor, because one time I had put something on the floor and I wasn't careful and I fell. Yeah, I did. So it was not fun. So this is what's in my Caddy. I have a lot of products in my Caddy. It seems like it. And then next I have this totally awesome tile grout cleaner. Now this is for like your in your tub, you know, the little lines they have. Just spray this on, maybe wait about 10 to 15 minutes, and then go ahead and get your you know, one of these little scrubbers, or even sometimes I use the I forgot what it's called, but it's the one that's long like this and it has the bristles at the end like a brush. So I use that. But this is really good. It works really good in the bathroom or any type of grout area, even between your refrigerator, you know, or behind your stove, you know, little certain areas, or on your countertops. And I think I have a few more. Yeah, a couple more items. Gotta have some WD-40. You know, this is for, it stops the squeaks, cleans and protects, loosens rusted parts, frees sticky mechanisms, drives out the moisture. And I tell you, when you live in an old house, you know, my house is old. It's not like ancient, but you know, the doors every now and then will start squeaking. So I just spray a little bit of this on, and it goes a long ways. And last but not least, I have some Lysol clean and fresh toilet bowl cleaner. You know, this is a must, ladies. You know, that's, who wants to clean the toilet? But you know, you just use it. You know, you gotta do what you gotta do. And that is all of my cleaning products that I have, you guys. What can I say? I hope that you enjoyed my Caddy and everything that I showed you. And thank you so much, Kimberly, for this challenge. It was fun. Now you got a chance to see what's in my Caddy. So I look forward to seeing everybody else's videos. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys later. You guys be blessed and have an awesome day. Talk to you later. Bye.